So welcome students. So in this question you're given that you have to make 4-digit numbers using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 where repetition is allowed, so that this 4-digit number has to be divisible by 11. So if that is so, what are the number of possible numbers? So how many numbers can be made out of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 where repetition is allowed, which are divisible by 11? So for this, solving this question, first you need to know the divisibility rule for 11. So what is the divisibility rule for 11? So there is the first place, second place, third place, fourth place. So the divisibility rule for 11 is something like this. You add the digits in the odd places and you add the digits in the even places. You subtract one from the other. So if the number that you get after subtraction is either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. So the difference has to be either 0, 11, 22, 33, so on. So this is the divisibility rule for 11. Now can you see that once you put numbers of these 4 digits in any form, so 2, 3, 1, 4 or anything like this, so the sum of the odd places will be some number which you get after adding 2 digits of this, and sum in odd places is also some number which you get by adding 2 digits. So you can see that the maximum limit of the sum of 2 numbers that you get will be 8 and the minimum will be 2. So if you subtract one from the other, you cannot get a multiple of 11. So this is not possible, because with these numbers you cannot get a difference of up to 11. So the difference has to be 0. There is no other option. So that is the sum of digits in the even places. Sum of digits in even places should be same as sum of digits in odd places. So this has to happen for the number to be divisible by 11 in this case. So now let us see the possible options that I have. The sum of digits in the even places, sum of digits in the odd places. So if you take any 2 digits, the sum that you can get starts from 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2, that's the minimum sum. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 is the maximum sum. So the sum of numbers in even places can be 2 and odd places can be 2. Sum of numbers in the even places can be 3, 1 plus 2. If that is so, sum of numbers in the odd place has to be 3. 4 is possible. So if this is 4, this has to be 4. 5 is possible, 5. 6 is possible, 6. 7 is possible, 7. 8 is possible, 8. So these are the possible sums of 2 digits that are possible when you use these numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the sum of numbers in the even digits has to be 2. The sum of numbers in the even places has to be 2. So the even places has to be filled with 1 and 1. There is no other option. So if this is also 2, these 2 places also have to be filled with 1 and 1. So in the first case, you have only one option. You have only one number, which is 1, 1, 1, 1. So similarly, if you take the second case, both the sums have to be 3. So the even places can be either filled with 1, 2 or 2, 1. You have 2 options in which the even places can be filled. Similarly, odd places can also be filled in 1, 2, 2, 1. So even places can be filled in 2 ways, odd places can be filled in 2 ways. So there are a total of 4 different ways in which you can fill the digits. That is 1 here, 1, 2 in this, 1, 2 in this, 1, 2 here, 2, 1 here, here 2, 1, here 1, 2. In this way, you can have 4 different possibilities. If the sum has to be equal to 4, if the sum has to be equal to 4, in how many ways can you fill the even places? So I can fill it with 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2 or 3, 1. There are 3 ways in which I can fill the even places. Similarly, there are 3 similar ways in which I can fill the odd places. So I have a total of 9 ways. So if I have sum of 5, so the even places can be filled with 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2 and 4, 1. There are 4 ways in which I can fill even places. Similarly, there are 4 ways in which I can fill odd places. So there are a total of 4 into 4, 16 ways. Similarly for 6, so if the sum has to be 6, you cannot use 1, because if you use 1, the highest number is 4, the sum will be at most 5. So it has to start with 2. So I can use 2, 4, 3, 3 or 4, 2. So these are the 3 ways in which I can fill the even places. Correspond to this, I have to fill the odd place in a similar way. There are 3 ways. So total of 9 ways for 6. Similarly for 7, so it has to start with 3, 4 or 4, 3. You have only 2 ways in which you can fill the even places. So there are 2 ways in which you can fill the odd places. So total you have 4 ways. And for 8, so you have to have 4 and 4. There is no other option. You have only one option in which you can fill even places, one option in which you can fill odd places. So effectively you have only one option in which you can fill the number. So the total options that you have is 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. These are the total number of numbers that you can form. So you have 10, 14 plus 14, 28 plus 16. So you have a total of 44 numbers that can be formed, which are divisible by 11. Thank you.